Hi everyone, and welcome to this SEO Lab tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SEO Lab's keyword analysis tool to find the right keywords, improve your Google rankings, and bring more visitors to your Shopify store. Let's get started. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps Open SEO Lab app, then click Keyword Analysis. Here, you'll see two sections. Keyword Search, Saved Keywords List. We'll start with Keyword Search. In the search box, type any keyword related to your products. Here, I'll type organic skincare. Before searching, you can refine your results. First, select the country. You can choose markets like United States, United Kingdom, France, Germany, United Arab Emirates, and many more. This is important because people search differently in every country. Always choose the country where most of your customers are. Next, select the competition level. All, high, medium, low. If you're just starting with SEO, it's usually better to focus on low and medium competition keywords because they're easier to rank. Once everything is selected, click Search. Now you'll see a table of keyword ideas related to organic skincare. Let's go through what each column means. Keyword: the exact phrases people type into Google. Volume, total number of searches over time. Average searches per month. How often this keyword is searched every month. Trend shows. Whether interest is going up or down. Competition tells you how hard it is to rank. Sometimes choosing a slightly smaller keyword with lower competition is better than trying to rank for a huge competitive one. On the right side, you'll see two icons. Plus, icon, click this to save the keyword inside your saved keywords list. Arrow icon. This lets you start optimizing content right away. You can apply it to any page or product by simply selecting it and click Apply. This will add keyword directly. Everything stays organized inside SEO Lab. When you open the Saved Keywords List tab, you'll see every keyword you collected. This helps you avoid repeating the same keywords, stay organized, everything in one place. SEO Lab's keyword analysis tool is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to improve your Shopify SEO, even if you're a beginner. Start small, analyze keywords, save the best ones, and use them across your store. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next SEO Lab tutorial.